Hello guys, welcome to Sparky once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about these Chile withdrawal issues, the payout issues for Nigerians. Alright, are you earning on this Chile platform and then you have been having issues with your withdrawal? In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can get rid of that and then withdraw your earnings from this Chile platform. Alright, so all you need to do is to pay attention to this video, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video I'm going to show you exactly how to get that done. Alright, but before I proceed guys, my name is Sparky. If you are hearing my voice for the first time, you're coming across my channel for the first time, what I do on this channel is all about tutorials, business updates. I share business updates every day on this channel. So for you not to miss out any of my update, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release videos on business updates. All right, so in this video I'll briefly talk about what is Chile all about and how does it work, and then how do you now withdraw the money from the platform, and why are we having these payout issues on Chile platform. All right, what is Chile all about? Chile is a social media platform where one can actually create content or watch other people's content to earn coins or earn dollars. So that is what this Chile platform is actually all about. All right, so now how does it work? First of all, for someone to start accumulating the coins or accumulating the dollar by catching the boxes in the watch field, the person need to subscribe to Chile, because this Chile, they actually share their ad revenue with their subscribers. Who are their subscribers? Their subscribers are those that buy their glasses. So Chile has glasses. These are digital glasses, and when one get those glasses, they see you as their premium users, and then you participate in their ad revenue share. All right, just like people doing a business, some people have they say they have shareholders, and then when you join there, it means you are now the shareholder. All right, now Chile is being used by over 13 million users or 13 million people. All right, and does that make it legit? No, we can't say that is legit because of they have millions of users. We cannot say they are legit when they might not be. So let us be transparent in this video. I'll be transparent with everyone in this very video. All right, now this payout issues is only for Nigerians. If you're in Nigerians and then you are participating in Chile ad revenue share and you're having issue to pay out, let me show you guys how to do that. All right, now when you have money in your account, maybe you might have accumulated it by watching the videos, because when you watch the field, it is when you are going to catch boxes and also participate in watching this thing. All right, and then Chile is also said to be listing their coins, also said to be listing on MES exchange, which we don't know when they're going to list it. All right, so when you watch feed or you create feed, when you look at my profile, you see that I have videos I have already created. Like I said, you might decide to join this platform for the purpose of building yourself, building your audience, becoming popular, and you might join for the purpose of watching other people's content to earn. And when you join as a creator, when people like what you're creating, they actually donate lei to you, and those lei can be converted to naira. All right, now how do you withdraw if you are in Nigeria and you are having issues with withdrawal? When you click on withdraw lei to bank card, this option is for Nigerians, and then the amount you can withdraw is 2.32 lei. When you enter the amount here, 2.32 lei. All right, I don't have enough lei yet, but I'm giving you example. And then you withdraw, you select Nigeria. All right, bank transfer, you click on confirm. Okay, so now this cannot work because of what? I don't have enough. I have already withdrawn it. It is because of my past experiences. That is the reason why I'm able to see that this is how this thing actually works for now. All right, so when you try withdrawing to Nigeria bank accounts, they may show you decline. Now what are you going to do? Come to this place. When you want to withdraw this payout method, come to this place, choose Mexico, this one here. After this NDN, choose Mexico, then just select the amount of lei you want to withdraw, click on confirm. You just generate any random account number, because you know maybe you're not living in that country. All right, so when you do it like that, it's going to take you to browser, to your Google Chrome. What you need to do is to minimize. You know how to minimize. When you're on a Google Chrome, let's say you're on a Google Chrome and I minimize my own like this. So when you minimize it, come back and go and reopen the Cheelee app again. When you reopen the Cheelee app again, now come back and click on withdraw to card. Then you can now select Nigeria again. Select Nigeria again, and then enter the amount. Then it's going to take you already. You have already minimized the first page. Oh, take note. You have already minimized the first page. So now, when you do it that way, you put your account details. Boom. You place your withdrawal. Within 3 to 5 minutes, the money is going to land in your bank account. Normally, if you want to withdraw it directly like this without following these procedures, they're going to decline it. But when you do it this way, this way I have mentioned, is going to work. That's how I was able to withdraw the money I had here. One thing I dislike about Cheelee is that their charges is too much. 30% of whatever you are withdrawing on the platform. So that is one thing I don't like about the platform, and that is why I don't longer in on Cheelee platform. And I cannot say it's a scam or not. I am not a financial advisor. I just made this video to solve this withdrawal issue because some people have asked me, Sparky, please, how can we solve this withdrawal issues? And one thing you must know about this platform is that they are also tricky. They have their rules, they have their community guideline, and if you by any means violate it, they are going to restrict you from withdrawing. So if you are having issue of maybe the withdrawal option is not showing on your screen, you want to withdraw but you do not see that option, they're asking you to contact customer support, is either you have violated their community guideline, because every social media platforms has their community guideline, and Cheelee platform also have their community guideline. So if you are dreaming or you are thinking of start earning with the Cheelee platform, all you need to do, or you want to start creating your content, sharing your content with Cheelee platform, you make sure to go through their community guidelines. Every social media platform has a community guideline, and once you violate it, they strike you. Please, this is very important. You must take note of that. So I'm advising you, if you are viewing this video, to make sure you go through Cheelee community guideline, because there are some certain things which they restrict their content creators from doing, which they restrict their viewers from doing also. Like, you want to do fraud, you want to cheat, it is prohibited on Cheelee platform. You come to Cheelee platform either to entertain yourself, or either to create content, or either to earn money. So there are a lot of things that can bring you to this platform. You could either come to watch your video just like the way you do it on TikTok. So I advise you to make sure to go through their community guidelines before you start earning on the platform, or before you start creating your content on the platform. All right, so that is it. And then if you have any other questions to ask in regard to this platform, kindly comment below. I will be there to answer the question. And then some people are also saying that this platform is a scam. You can call this platform a scam when you are doing the wrong thing, because this platform, they have a lot of features, and there are some certain things which you will do, it may not favor you, and there are some certain things another person will do, it will favor them. So that is how this platform is. So to me, I leave it in neutral. All right, so thank you for watching this video. I remain Sparky. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Also, there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, also share it with friends and family, because a lot of people, especially Nigerians, they are having withdrawal issues with this platform. And that way I have mentioned in this video, that is what I did, and it actually worked for me. Thank you for watching this video.